So many people have been saying, why am I inviting other people to come and commission projects, and I'm not inviting those who are supposed, according to them, that are in my party? I said, first of all, there's no law that said I must only invite my party members to commission my projects. What's important is when you also invite other parties, they come and see really what they are hearing, whether it is correct. I'm sure today, our brother, Wike Oshiomole, when he goes back, he will say, look, all those things I've been hearing, I have gone, I have seen, and it is correct. And it is correct. And so, people should not say, in fact, tomorrow P2B is coming, it's not in my party. On Monday, Kwakwaso is coming, it's not in my party. If anybody wants to die, you die.
As he depend them, he dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pay them.
Your Excellency, you know, in this part of the world, I don't know the part where you come from, but in this part of the world, when they sweet us, they paint them. When
as
they
he
paint
dey
them,
he dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pay them. As he dey pay them, he go dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pay them. Yes, we can pepper them. We say pepper them. We pepper them. We can pepper them. I go show when you are welcome. I say pepper them. As you dey see, I saw he be. You say pepper them. Project here and there, every day commission. Pepper them. Yes, we can pepper them. I say pepper them.
Your Excellency, what you require in this country today is about united Nigeria. It's how all of us can see ourselves as one. It's how all of us can see ourselves as our brothers' keepers. We don't need to see ourselves that you are from this place, you are from the other side. We need a Nigeria that all of us can be proud of, that I will know that truly I'm not a second-class citizen. The same right you have is the same right I have. The same opportunities you have will be the same opportunities I will have. No need of saying that you are not from this place, people will not vote for you. No, we will not want that. We want a Nigeria that everybody can say, indeed, this is the leader we have. Indeed, this is the Nigeria we are looking for. Indeed, the Nigeria we are looking for has come to stay. And so for us, all we are looking for is how Nigeria will progress, how people will have food on their tables. It's not about ethnicity, it's not about religion, it's not about party. It's about how Nigeria will progress. That is where we stand. And like I said, politics now is a matter of interest. You must tell me what is the interest of the people of Rivers State. You must tell me what's the interest of my community. If my state will not benefit, I will not join you. I will not join anybody who does not want my state to benefit. I will not support anybody who does not like my state. Because for us here, if you hate us, we hate you. If you like us, we like you. If you do for me, I do for you. If you fall for me, I fall for you.
Agreement is agreement, yo, Jai. Agreement is agreement, yo, Jai. We got something before now, you can't begin to do nonsense. Agreement is agreement, yo.
So, what is important about leadership is integrity. When you have lost integrity, there's nothing you can offer again. And that is the problem we're having in this country. Our politicians will stand up and make a statement. and then people are watching you to fulfill that statement you have made, the promise you have made. And then when you don't, Nigerians will now say, that is how politicians behave. I don't agree to that. Individuals can behave that way. I will not behave that way. If I say something today, I will make sure I do it. If there's any reason why I will not do it, I have to come back to you and let you know this is the reason. And that is what they call integrity.